Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee, Krups E8000. I came into the shop because they had a couple broken components, a framing, notably this little reservoir right here for cleaning the steam nozzle. The piece that it latches into was broken. We ended up replacing the parts. I ended up having the screw boss that it screws into was broken. I had to use a longer screw and repair the screw boss a little bit. That was about it, but it's a pretty important part, which I will demonstrate. First, I'm just going to make a little cappuccino and show how that works. Heating right now. Then the nozzle down. So that's what the milk frothing process looks like. Then shortly it's going to put the espresso. You can see it retreat back into that little reservoir back there. Steam nozzle. Then it makes coffee. And there's our cappuccino. There are some changes we can make in order to make that a little better. But that's just showing how the machine is supposed to function. And then I'm going to show you how this thing works for cleaning. So you can see it fills it up. And then it drains it back down. Now I'm just going to show just a little bit more about this area. I'm going to do the nozzle tube cleaning, so it comes up, and then now I'm going to move this drip tray, and then I can push down on it, and then I can move it. There we have it. And then you'd rinse this out and then put it back in. So now it goes back in. Alright. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, subscribe, and thank you for watching.